Hi everyone, this is a very long awaited video where I'm going to tell you how this account came into existence. Now the story starts in 2019 December. I was in Aligarh and it was the time of CA and RC protests. I started this account as a medium to write, vent all of my political aggressions. At that time, this account was extremely political in nature. I was posting my write-ups that were very politically driven. So that was also a time when I was very politically active. I was participating in protests, helped organize the CNRC protest in Ranchi. In all this time, I had only posted my write-up and some of my speech videos. Only writings, political posts, dissing the government. It was also around a time when a very violent protest broke out in Ranchi. My account was the ground source information. Since my father is a journalist, I would take information from him and keep posting it. Internet was turned off in Ranchi, but still I managed to give my account to my friends and make them post things. That was how dedicated I was towards this account. And then slowly I also started sharing snippets of my life here. Now around this time, my account's name was very controversial. It was then called allegedly anti-national because apparently people would think I'm an anti-national, dissing the government all the time and criticizing all its actions. I was very happy with the name. Somehow my father came to know about it. He had absolutely no problem with my account. He told me that I have all the support in the world. Nobody can touch me at all. I could post whatever I want, but I just should change the name of my account. So I changed it to, I unfortunately cannot remember that name. I changed it to something national. Definitely national, something like that. Exactly opposite of allegedly anti-national. But I was definitely not very happy with the name. And then I think in 2022 or 2023, I changed it to Writing Out Loud, which is also, most of you people followed me. That was also my username around the time when I got married and this account blew up. When I got married, I had no intention of posting my videos or my wedding on this. After 5 days of my wedding, it's my husband's birthday. Obviously, some of my friends, through my friends, knew I was getting married and they wanted to see the pictures. On the 26th, I posted my wedding pictures on my public and on my private, and it just blew up. It blew up out of proportion because first, it was wedding pictures. Wedding is the most viral material in the whole world. The second thing, that I was wearing a chapa. I had not seen so many brides on the internet wearing a chapa until then, but then I had no intention of making chapa a thing again intentionally. I did, and that's a great thing. I love it and I will always support it, but that was not the intention I was posting it. Now this was just a random post. Now there was this video of Kurieni. I had already posted it on my private, and then we were in Andamans then in Port Blair, and I was just chatting with my husband and I told him, ये video सबको बहुत पसंद आ रही है, public पे डाल दे क्या? And then he just said डाल दो. And I posted it and then it went viral. And even at that moment, I had absolutely no intention of becoming this influencer that you think I am, which I am not. कुछ ऐसा special था भी नहीं. I don't think my videos or pictures have anything special in them. I had created a video of videos and pictures from from people who have sent me the videos and pictures. वो बना के मैंने उसे भी post कर दिया. That also went viral because also it had chapa in it. मुझे ऐसा लगा कि okay, people are liking this. I started posting whatever I would post in my private. I started posting it on my public as well. Still, I had no intention of becoming an influencer. I will tell you when it came into my mind that I should actually give some effort into it, but that was not the moment. So around the time when I got married, my followers were around 3,000. Followers बहुत तेजी से बढ़ते गए, and in March I got my first PR parcel from Your Libas, and that was the first very intentional video that I created. Like बहुत effort डाल करके उसको specially उस कपड़े को पहन के shoot किया मैंने, उसको share किया. And that was the moment maybe I realized कि okay, maybe I should start doing it. It was right after it when I hit 10,000. Obviously, it's not very common for us to do something like this, right? So, it stirred things and everybody was like, it's not something you should be doing. And then even at some point I gave in because that time this was not very something like, yeah, okay, I did it. It was fun. जब तक हुआ तब तक बहुत अच्छा था. उसके बाद नहीं हुआ. दिल छोटा हुआ, बहुत अच्छा नहीं लगा. फिर मैंने सोचा कि चलो छोड़ देते हैं. फिर मैंने 3 महीने के लिए छोड़ दिया, फॉलोअर्स को 7,000 के आसपास कर दिया और फिर छोड़ दिया। फिर आई स्टॉप पोस्टिंग, शादी की 1-2 वीडियो छोड़ दी, बाकी सब हटा दिया। जो अकाउंट पहले जैसा था वैसे ही हो गया। When I came here in April, in July, like on a random day, I decided, what am I doing? Like, I should start doing that again. I was just shooting videos जैसे मैं पहले करती थी, and now I was just making edits and posting it. Then in September again I hit 10,000. वापस जहाँ पे था वहाँ पे वापस आ गया. This community started growing into what you see today. This account has always been something very close to my heart. When I used to write, मेरे सारे emotions यहीं पे निकलते थे. Now when I'm creating content, मेरे अभी भी के भी सारे emotions यहीं पे निकलते हैं. This is how this account came into existence. This आज आप जो समरीन को देखते हैं वो यहाँ पे पहुंची है बहुत ही रैंडमली. लाइक देयर वाज नो प्लान ऑफ एक्शन कि ये करेंगे तो फिर ऐसे अकाउंट बूम हो जाएगा और फिर ऐसा हो जाएगा. कुछ नहीं, वो सब होता गया. It was in January 2025 that I started creating skincare content very diligently. I received my first PR parcel in February, and then I started making dawat videos, little vlogs, and I'm so glad that you people have loved everything I have posted. तो जब भी कोई इंसान अकाउंट को खोले तो उसको कुछ ना कुछ अपनी पसंद का मिल ही जाए. This is the story of this account, और ये बहुत important है मेरे लिए. तुम लोग बहुत important हो मेरे लिए. Do what you want. Unless you're not hurting somebody in the way, I think you should be fine. This account is basically like that friend who stays with you throughout your entire life. This has seen every part of me. A single girl who was studying, graduation, her UPSC journey, her getting married, her moving to another country, and then figuring out life as it goes. If you've been following me from the beginning, you have literally seen me grow. You've seen my 21st birthday, 22nd, 24th, 25th, 26th, now 26th as well. I am very grateful for this space. And now you tell me, when have you followed this account? What made you follow this account? And I will see you in the comments.